Before that,
Joint Commission inquiry kodi sir.
allow me to make two submissions.
No, Joint Commission inquiry kodi first. This man has behaved as if it is his personal fiefdom. We will not.
My lord, I will submit.
Kodi ಇಲ್ಲಿ. He has acted contrary to law, he will face the music.
No hanky panky in this except.
No, hanky panky alla, his harakiri. Give it.
ಅದೊಂದು ಆಮೇಲೆ this is the additional commission. ಸರ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸರ್ 8ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಸಂಜೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ಮಿಡ್ ನೈಟ್. ಇದು this is a letter to the
ಅದೇ ಕಾರ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರಿ.
additional commission.
Desire to drive Lamborghini.
My lord, these two letters.
Kodi. What proceedings worth the name in law Joint Commissioners conducted will see.
To initiate a crime.
To initiate a crime.
Yes, preliminary inquiry. my lord.
Aita.
We cannot
With
let
1
them
minute,
get
sir.
away with that.
One
He's
minute.
cost 50 lakhs.
Without determination of a fraud, even per prima facie, how did you take the car?
Fabrication of documents.
Oh, seriously?
Yes,
Kodi.
my lord.
We'll
Yes,
see, we'll
it
see.
is
Give it,
here.
give it, give it.
If your
Give it,
lordship
sir.
allows me, yes, there are fabrication.
This we will take
These
it
two
to,
documents.
this will take it to its logical conclusion. Give it.
GST 1 rupee pay ಮಾಡಿ.
27/1/2026 ಇದು. ಯಾವತ್ತು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಕಾರ್?
Are post that. post
September
that.
25, 1/9/2025,
Purchase ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
purchase.
Yes, now.
Who is that RTO who has
to the
registered?
next-
Who is that RTO who has registered the car? Is he accused in this? Is he accused in this?
My lord, there is no, I will.
Where is the RTO who has taken
No,
60
no,
lakhs
unless-
and registered
unless
this
I
car?
say the sequence of events, your lordship
No,
may not be. able
Not
to-
at all. I am going to pass an order
Yes.
now. How did you let off the RTO who has taken 60 lakhs and registered the car?
Fact.
If the purchase is a fraud.
I would have come out saying that this RTO is, ought to be included in this. I will point out that. I will point out that. Now, let me point out in sequence as to what has happened and how he has fabricated documents and submitted.
Who has fabricated?
Not this man has fabricated documents and
What
submitted to the RTO.
what fabrication?
What the RTO does
What
is
fabrication?
fabrication of dates.
Yav dates?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದು ತೋರಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಅದು
Yav
ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
date? ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾವ dates? ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಯಾವ dates ಹೇಳಿ? ಯಾವ date fabrication?
Tax invoice date.
ಕೊಡಿ sir. Tax invoice date ಕೊಡಿ sir.
ನೇಮ ಕೂಡ change ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Lord, what happens? When Harsha purchases the car in the year 2022, he pays 200 rupees as road tax as temporary registration.
All right,
He takes it to Telangana
all right,
to be registered there.
all right,
He uses it for 3 years.
all right.
He sells it to this man,
Who sells?
Harsha, to this petitioner.
That who is the owner? From whom did he purchase the car?
My lord, what he does.
1 minute. From whom did he purchase the car?
ಹೇಳೋದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ.
Ah,
ಅವನು ಕಾರ್ನ ಇವನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ.
hmm.
ಇವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ? ಆ 22 ನ ತಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು RTO ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ RTO ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ. 25 ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಅವನು RTO ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಳೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ ಫುಲ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆಗ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಇವನು ಕಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು.
RTO ಯಾಕೆ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, that's a different aspect. We will implicate him. We will implicate him. Now kindly see the genuine document. Numbered it as 1.
Now 1 minute.
Yes, yes.
Next, where is the order of anybody to ask this man to go and seize the vehicle? You
That
show
is-
me one order.
No, that is the
And
second aspect. I will come to
which
that.
law, adaಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ಮ aspect
That-
ಆಯ್ತು,
now
we
there
will
is a
take care.
crime.
Which law authorizes this man to
That I will
get
point
into a private
That-
property and ಕೊಡಿ?
That I will point out.
Give it.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು rules
Now.
ನೋಡು. Because half an hour-
Otherwise I will direct a suspension now.
No, give me some time. Tomorrow I will say.
Huh,
Tomorrow I will say.
yes.
Not- Because that is from the rules. I will have to point out the powers of a police officer if he is designated as a police officer.
ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ.
Huh?
You should have come with all armory.
No, ನಿನ್ನೆಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Because this aspect was not known to me.
Hmm.
Now, what I am saying is, when a crime is registered, I am able to establish that he has fabricated the documents.
ಅರೆ
Then
ಅದು ಇನ್ನು ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ 1 crore 60 lakhs has gone into the exchequer of the state from him.
he has reduced the amount, showing
ಅದಾಯ್ತು.
it as
So
2025.
that is a matter that is to be investigated.
Investigated, that's
Correct.
all, that's all I'm saying.
Investigation ಗೆ ನೀವು ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು? ಇಲ್ಲ ತಾನೇ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಾರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ.
What I am saying is, I have established prima facie that he has fabricated
Sir,
documents.
no prima facie ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಇದೆ.
Prima facie he has established that registration is correct by paying 1 crore 60
he
lakhs.
has
You may have that, but that has to be determined. He has prima facie established.
No, if he pays tax, that doesn't mean he has
Why did
established.
you register, sir?
Instead of paying,
Why did you register? Is not a car registered have a presumption of ownership on him or presumption of fraud on him?
if the RTO
Why?
has.
ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ RTO is not even an
crime
accused.
register ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ?
RTO is not an accused.
No, crime
All right,
register
now you have registered against him. ಈಗ 1,60,00,000 ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಗಾಡಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಚೆಕರ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಕಮ್ ಅಪ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೀ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಯು ಹವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅವೇ ದಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
ಯಾವಾಗ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
When I come to know that he has.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರ್ಗ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
First ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರ್ಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಯಾರ್ಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು?
Not he has.
You should take that RTO to task saying
We will
that how
take,
did,
we will
when, not this man first, that man
Oh,
first.
this man has
No,
submitted the
that
document.
man first.
This
How did he, who deleted in the RTO system, sir?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
Who
ಅವ್ರು
deleted?
duplicate ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
Who deleted?
ಅದು ಅವಾಗ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು
ಯಾವಾಗಾರು ಇರ್ಲಿ.
You
ಯಾರು
release
ಯಾರು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಸರ್?
25 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
Who deleted?
One of the officers there.
One of the
We
officers.
will find out that.
Find them out and
Yes.
bring them to books. Amel we will take care
Not
of it.
necessary that.
For,
we should-
no,
we should
first,
do-
first bring them to books
Finding
here.
an accused
No
can be
problem.
in
I will
any
pass a
serious-
detailed order now
Yes.
saying
We'll take
first
into
bring
account.
them to books, we will bring him to book.
He cannot
problem.
go scot free.
Not at
Because
all.
I have not.
Neither your officer can go scot free for having done something contrary to law.
Kindly see this document.
Yes.
Kindly see this document. I am
Yes.
furnishing the document to
Ah.
show that the document submitted by him at the time of registration is fabricated.
Why did you
which is
register it?
ascertained from
Why did you
the
register?
seller itself.
Why
Lamborghini.
did you
Lamborghini
register it?
gives- My lord, kindly see this document.
Who was the RTO then?
Yes, ascertained.
Who was the RTO
Now see
and
the-
who are all the persons who have handled that file?
Yes,
I will
all-
direct criminal
yes.
case to be registered against all of
Everybody,
them. Yes,
including the commissioner.
including him
Yes.
for having ಎಲ್ಲಿ trespass ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ? Criminal trespass ಹಾಕಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ.
My lord, this is the letter given by Lamborghini saying we have only sold it in 2022, not in 2025.
All right. Why did your RTO do it?
Yes, RTO will implicate, we'll have to ascertain. First week.
No, first RTO.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
He is the man who has connived
Yes.
and cheated the state, not this
Should
man.
we wait until we find out who the RTO is? Should we wait?
100%.
No,
You should.
No, the moment it
I,
comes to
no
light,
problem.
we register.
Give it. I will answer, sir. I will pass in order,
Yes.
not a problem.
One
That's the
factual
letter.
correction,
He should.
one factual correction which my learned senior friend also will agree. ನಾನ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ
ಯಾರೋ ನಿಮ್ ಪರವಾಗಿ
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೀಲರ್
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್
Dealer, sir,
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್
ಮಾಡು.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು,
Registration
ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ
ಇವರಲ್ಲ.
ಅದು ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನು
ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್
ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನೇನು ಒಪ್ಕೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ಡೀಲರ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್. The problem with these things is what happens in the RTO's office, whole world knows.
Whole world knows. I
That
want
is
all
why
of
this
them-
is one such product.
I want all of them to be
Oh,
roped in.
seriously?
Yes, sir.
Cleansing the,
Yes, yes,
you,
my lord.
are you saying you're going to
Lord.
cleanse the agent stables?
Lord, my
No way. You
Lord,
can.
May I
Yes.
submit? The first thing I told him that where are the RTOs why not you included them in the.
Get the names
I
of the
told them.
RTOs. Get
Yes,
the names.
yes.
Get the
My
names
lord,
of the
kindly see
RTOs.
that letter. Kindly see that letter.
Letter ಇರ್ಲಿ
It
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ.
was only sold in 2022.
Sir, ಅವರೇ ಹೋಗಿ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋದು.
ಅದೇ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರು
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
that he cannot.
ಆಯ್ತು, unless you
escape.
show the power that
That,
he has ಇದು,
Yes.
I will direct him to be placed under
Yes,
suspension.
yes.
Suspension ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ sir.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Anybody, my lord, anybody who is involved in this, even the commissioner if he is involved, the first thing I told this man, where are those RTO officers who deleted that portal? I will ask the court to arrest them is what I said.
One cleansing of the RTO's office, road transport officials
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
office ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ will be an utopian land.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
It won't happen.
PDA, ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್
No,
ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ
ಅದು
ಎಷ್ಟೋ
ಅದೇ
ದಿನದಿಂದ
ನೀವು
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ,
ಏನಾದ್ರು
ಆಗ್ಲೇ
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
I am talking of
RTO ನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
I am talking of the road transport office. This is what happens day in and day out there. All right. Yes. ಈ
Yes.
computerization ಆಗಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. But even then there is loophole. There are
Lord,
loopholes.
off the record may I
Ah.
Rest ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. After lunch I come back, a man comes again. Hey, ಎರಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. These are the taxes. These are the taxes. Ask him.
That's the problem.
First thing I told him, you will pay tax. Then he said, I was not at that point. Then I said, go over his head. I will ask the club to take action against them and register the direction of the court. Then somebody comes at go 230, 230. Not having known all these years, able to correct media, corporation. Impossible. Art is worse. This is what I told them. The lordship has opened everybody.
So this thing is,
Yes.
if it is a
And
fraud,
if he is overstepped his jurisdiction.
no, if he has overstepped, he
Yes.
can face.
Yes.
But if this, whoever is involved in this, in particular, this may not, this may be a tip of the iceberg.
People get in and out in exam. In and out.
Will have to, without it, take this and get with those powers of this.
Yes, yes.
What is this, what is
Yes.
this second?
55 ಏನು ಕೊಡಿ?
If he thinks not there is fraud or forgery. 55 subsection 5, he has to issue a notice by reached post. Fifty-five subsection 5. That too, my lord, not the complainant, R2 Allah. If a registering authority is satisfied, my lord, your lordship will see the caption of section 55 is cancellation of registration.
ಹೌದು. ಹ್ಮ್.
Subsection 5, if a registering authority is satisfied, registering authority, my lord, is the RTO.
ಹ್ಮ್.
If a registering authority is satisfied that the registration of a motor vehicle has been obtained on the basis of documents which were or by representation of fact,
ಹ್ಮ್.
which was false in any material particular,
ಹ್ಮ್.
or the engine number, chassis number embossed thereon are different from such number entered in the certificate of registration, registering authority shall, after giving the owner an opportunity to make such representation as he may wish to make, by sending to the owner by notice by registered post acknowledgement due at his address entered in the certificate and for reasons. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ your lordship has seen umpteen number of provision, ಯಾವ provision ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹ್ಮ್. ಆಯ್ತು.
Nothing is, no provision, no blood, no process under the motor vehicle act.
ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಬರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ?
No, blood for why, yes, I'm sorry, for violation of section 55, 173, 174 ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
BNSS.
Yeah, no, under this motor vehicle.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲೇ.
ಈ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮೇಲೆ?
ಇವ್ರು ಬರೀ BNS ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ fraud and forgery.
My lord, without reading the chapters, my lord, because unless I read the chapter, now what is pointed out the particular section which I will read. Subject to, my lord, reading the whole chapter. My lord, Motor Vehicles Act 1988,
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
section 213,
ಹ್ಮ್.
213, my lordship gets. My lord, straight away go to subclause 5, my lord. Lordship has.
And SPP ಅವರೇ, it is not A car or B car. It is the attitude of the officers or the petitioners.
Yes, it
That
is
is
Maruti
under
or
examination.
Lamborghini.
It may be Maruti 800.
Yes,
That's not the thing.
Yes, I think, my lord, some powers are there to seize also.
Where?
My lord, which, as I said, subject to, my lord,
Where?
reading, my lord, Motor Vehicles Act 1988.
No problem. We'll give you time till Tuesday.
Yes, no.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಬನ್ನಿ.
Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಪವರ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ.
Yes.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
everybody, my lord.
ಎನ್ಕ್ವೈರಿ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ. ಈಗ 451 ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಎಲ್ಲೂ ತಗೋತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Nobody is taking.
ಯಾಕೆ?
ಇವ್ರು 7th ACM ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರು. If your lordship will see the FIR top ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿಗೆಹಳ್ಳಿ police station it says.
ಯಾರು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
7th ACM ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
ಯಲಹಂಕ ನ್ಯೂಟೌನ್ police station ಇದೆ.
Then how do you hold the car without authority of law?
That we will see, my lord.
No, ಆ ತರ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
Seize ಮಾಡಕ್ powers ಏ ಇಲ್ಲ. Not even.
How have you seized?
ಅಲ್ಲ,
And that too by the complainant himself personally, not by the police.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ,
Complainant coming, seizing, himself towing the vehicle and going.
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಅದೇ heroism ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, 2022 registration, 3 years to tax avoid ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ 50
No,
lakhs, it
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
amounts to
ಆಯ್ತು.
50 lakhs
No
avoid
problem.
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ.
Sir,
Ah.
law will take whatever course to take against him. But why is this hero?
Hero we will see that hero is
ಏನು?
zero ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು powers ಅಂದ್ರೆ he'll be zero.
Yes.
Yes.
What is this
That will-
heroism?
Yes, that will.
Complainant himself coming and taking the vehicle, towing the vehicle, going
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ.
and staying there in midnight.
What I heard is ತುಂಬಾ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಅಬ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಏನ್ abuse
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು?
ಅದು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ರು ಅವರೇ ಲಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಂತೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರೋ ಮನೆಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ?
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾವು
ಕರೆದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಊಟ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಸೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Obviously.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
You can't go to the house and seize, sir.
No.
Which law gives you power to enter into the house and seize a vehicle?
ಅಲ್ಲ, if a vehicle is involved in a crime,
If
it is subject
vehicle
to-
is involved in a crime.
Yes, this is involved in a crime.
No, not the vehicle is now not in, your RTO is involved in a crime. Not vehicle.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ.
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡ್ಯೂ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ರೈಮ್
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಡ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್.
ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ,
ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ.
Fabrication
ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್
ಹೇಳಿ sir.
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್,
ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇರೆ?
ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಏರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್
ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್.
ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ, ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅದು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು?
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿದೆ?
There are two proceedings, parallel proceedings.
ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Crime fabrication.
You have to give notice, sir. Register post notice ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Crime ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಡೋ ವಿಷಯ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Crime ಅಲ್ಲ sir. First, before registration of the crime,
No.
mind you, he is CNA IMV. He has a duty to issue notice under
It is
55.
for tax areas, humble submission.
ನೀವು ಇರೋದು ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಈಗ.
ಅಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ
Crime is.
ಫ್ರಾಡ್ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ನೀವು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡಿ 50 ಲಕ್ಷ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ.
ಅದಲ್ಲ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೇನು?
ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕ್ರೈಮ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. So the vehicle is involved in the crime, so therefore
Vehicle is not involved in the crime. You have got yourself involved into that vehicle.
Yes, that is different.
So that does not mean you can seize that vehicle.
Two parallel proceedings could be conducted against him. One is for
ಅದು
tax
ಆಮೇಲೆ
recovery,
ಫಸ್ಟ್
one is for
ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡಿಂಗ್
fabrication.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ ಆಮೇಲೆ.
Yes.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
ಏನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಇದೆ?
ಫ್ಯಾಬ್ರಿಕೇಶನ್ ಗೆ 55(5) ಅಲ್ಲಿ he has to initiate proceedings.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Crime, my lord, I am saying before an RTO, if you file a fabricated document, that's a crime under IPC.
How many crimes you have registered on
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ.
fabrication, sir?
ಅದು
ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಸರ್?
ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದೊಂದು
ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡಿ? ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, there is one more reason. We are
ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ
collecting
ಈಗೋ
material.
ಅವ್ರ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಇದೆ. Previous day night 11 o'clock till 11 o'clock he was there. Why he was there? Demands and all those.
ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್
Those are
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
also there.
ಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಬರ್ದಿಯಾರ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್
ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ವೆರಿ,
ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಅಮೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಮಾಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
And
ಇದು
there is one more, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸಿಟಿವಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿ.
ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 6 o'clock ಸೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ, ಅವ್ರು 11 ಗಂಟೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ತೊಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸಿಟಿವಿ ಫುಟೇಜ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
ಅದು ಇದೆ. There is one historical rivalry also between we are getting some materials. We will place that also
ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್
with the same complainant and the petitioner side. That is what I am getting instruction.
ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್ ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಕರಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಶಾಮೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಒಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಸ್ಟಾರಿಕಲ್.
ಇವ್ರು ಒಪ್ಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೀವು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮೇಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಳದಲ್ಲ. ಲಾರ್ಡ್ 99 ಜನ ಕರಪ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಬ್ಬ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
They are balancing the nation.
Don't do that. ಒಬ್ಬ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, 99 ಜನ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಅದನ್ನ
that one man will balance, Lord. That's how the nation runs.
ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ?
Yes.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಹೌದು.
Rhetorics. Accordance with law. See,
Lord, I'll establish.
rhetoric is there, reality is different.
Yes.
So
Reality is
rhetoric
different.
versus reality, always reality will triumph. We'll see. Yes. ಆಯ್ತು, ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್?